The KidKraft Play Kitchen 53369, a large wooden playset, incorporates a contemporary design that will fit into any home decor. With features such as a subway tile backsplash, speckled granite-style countertops, and a pull-down faucet sprayer. The Play Kitchen is made of durable, premium, and sustainable materials, painted with colorful non-toxic paints and lacquers, ensuring years of safe and happy play. This playset includes a working icemaker, complete with realistic lights and sounds, adding to the authenticity of the play experience. Adding to the fun, the KidKraft Kitchen also includes a washer with a circular door that opens, allowing children to pretend to do laundry while cooking. This play kitchen encourages hands-on play with clickable knobs, pretend push buttons on the microwave, opening doors, and a cordless play phone. Despite its intricate features, the KidKraft Play Kitchen is easy to assemble, usually taking 2 people less than 2 hours.